Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I have today in my shop this very cute 2012 Toyota Prius C. She has 88,000 miles on the odometer, and that gives me opportunity to do very quick video to complete our Toyota library on this YouTube channel. I said complete, I meant to keep building it. That's a cute little baby. Oh my goodness, the phone rings again. I'm doing complete detail inspection. I did the complete scan and checked all the data which are important. And I didn't like the voltage of the small 12-volt battery, the aux battery. So I wanted to show you where the battery is located. If you go like a normal Prius and you wanna seek and search for it right here on the right hand side, you will be mistaken. If you know Priuses, you know it's normally there, but it's a different place on Prius C. And this is what I mean. Normally, you have to remove the trunk area, all this upholstery here, to get to the 12-volt battery, the auxiliary battery, which is here on the passenger side. Well, not on the Prius C. On Prius C, I recommend you to move the seats forward, especially the seat on the passenger side. There will be already our glove box. We have a dirty cabin air filter, so I moved it all the way to the front because the aux battery, it's located here under rear seat on passenger side. So if you look, there will be a plastic fastener, but I cannot show it to you because it seems to be this whole panel is completely loose, and there's some message there written: do not jumpstart this car, remove battery cables from battery first. Expensive equipment will damage you pay. I'm not sure if this vehicle, maybe it was a rental. Maybe these owners bought it as a rental vehicle. Look, the battery vent, it's actually sitting here. It's not attached. So we are discovering a little bit of mess. So this is the location. Let me bring the light and you will see it better. I will come from outside so you can see the location perfectly. Because I moved that seat, you can finally see it. Is it too much light? Maybe. It's always a problem with these areas. But you can see how tiny, hopefully. Look at my hand. This is the smallest battery on the Priuses. The battery was already small, and look how tiny is this one. It's shorter. Not sure about the height, but it's even shorter, like 1.5 inch, 2 inches shorter. So this vent, which we discussed, that's for venting the fumes from the battery, and that should be attached right here. I'm not sure who did this, why it is disconnected. I will obviously hook it back. And now I have a location. I can lift this. I have access to both contacts, and I will do my testing. By the way, the hybrid battery, you can see the main plug is underneath the seats right here. So that was for location of battery, and that's the purpose of the video. If that was the only thing you are seeking, you are done. I will continue this video just for those who are interested how the testing of the battery will go on. So either stay with me or bye-bye. So I can test it in the vehicle, it's not a problem, I don't have to disconnect it. I hooked my top-down tester and it tells me it has 11.90 volts, so that's super low. But let's go and use the tester. English, in vehicle, before charge, regular flooded, and CCA. This is super low. It has only 340 CCA, so let's change the data to that, and then we will push yes, and the tester will do it for us. The fact it's below 12 volts, it's already not good, but let's see. State of health, which is SOH, 0%. State of charge, 0%. 11.90 volts. It says it has no amps, nothing, and the internal resistance, it's 34.30 milliohms, which is way too high, and it says clearly replace it. Now those numbers are completely saying zero, nothing, so if you question that, because we tested the battery while it is attached to the vehicle, you may say there might be some corrosion on those terminals and so on. That's okay, despite the fact it looks brand new. If you are in any doubt that the test results are not correct, it's very easy. You just disconnect the battery. Take off the minus, then you remove the plus. You go directly on the battery contacts with the tester, and you just choose in the option, you choose the out of vehicle, because it's not connected. But from the beginning, when I got this vehicle in the shop, I can see the battery is bad, using the scanner and so on, so I will be not redoing it. I know the tester is just confirming what I clearly saw. The battery should be replaced. So here you got it, another tech video in this endless Toyota YouTube library. I created for you on this channel already over 1100 videos, and they're all dedicated Toyota brand only. So I hope you will find in the future, many of you will find in the future this video helpful. If you do, please give it a thumb up and stay tuned. I have way more going your way soon. If these owners will say, hey, replace it, I'm pretty sure I will make video how to replace 12-volt battery on Toyota Prius C. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.